Hi folks, it's Mike here with another video for you. Today I thought we'd try something a little bit different and give you an observation test. Regular visitors may notice that I'm on a different bike, but it's not that we're going to be looking at. So did you spot the pedestrian waiting to cross the road? You didn't? Well, let's rewind and have a look and see where he was. This just shows that we need to keep our observation up at all times and continually scan the road ahead. If you find my videos useful, please like, comment and subscribe. And until next time, keep safe.